Hello, classmates. This is Mr. Ray Trevino. Actually, my name is Reyes. People know me as Ray. My location, the city that I reside in, is Alamo, Texas, like the Alamo. The region that I live in is South Texas, or as many know it as the RGV, the Rio Grande Valley. The degree program that I'm pursuing is in adult learning and leadership doctorate. I'm going that route after for having pursued a master's of adult education from Texas A&M 2 years ago. As far as my personal work history, I currently do work as a high school teacher of social studies. You can see, well, my background here. I've been doing that for the last 20 years. However, previous to that, I did work full time, 10 years, as a GED and ESL teacher slash coordinator. I worked in different capacities for 10 years full time. And then, of course, after I came back to public school, I kept doing it part time for 15 years. So I have extensive experience doing adult education. My experiences with qualitative research were mainly limited to just reading articles. In the past, I always did have questions on the results because, qualitative research is basically based on qualitative data, not numbers. And so, after taking my very first class last semester with Dr. McLeish, it was Qualitative Research in Education 838. Awareness, I did get some awareness as far as, how subjectivity and positionality of the research comes into play. And so now I better do understand qualitative research. As far as research interests are concerned, I pretty much am interested in anything having to do with the culture of poverty, minority studies, participatory action research, which nowadays they call it project-based learning. It's the same thing. Program design, federal program design, compliance, and quality assurance. I'm also interested in the different types of literacies that adults have. I mean, there's some individuals out there that I've learned from, by the way, that don't know how to read and write. Yet, they will build you a castle having a hammer and saw. I'm also interested in the different types of informal learning that people have or have acquired, through their experiences. As far as key scholars that I actually look up to within the field of andragogy, Malcolm Knowles, ranks up there. Jack Mazaro, Lucio Villegas, Rosemary Caffarella for the interactive program design model, and of course, my all-time favorite, Edward Deming, that I've always structured and organized my programs that I've administered in the past, my adult literacy programs, as well as my high school classes. That's it for now. If you all have any questions to ask me, go ahead and ask them on the board here. And I look forward to meeting every one of you and working with you all. Thank you. Signing off. Bye bye.